Здравствуйте, друзья! Hello, my friends! It's your Russian teacher, Alicia again. Today I want to share some special Russian phrases people say in everyday life. Little cultural expressions that make your Russian sound more natural and friendly. So you might already know "будь здоров." When someone sneezes, you say "будь здоров," right? But do you know what to say when someone just took a bath? Or when someone is leaving? Let me show you. When someone sneezes, as we already said, you can say "будь здоров," "будь здоров," "будь здоров." If it's a man, "будь здорова," "будь здорова," "будь здорова." If it's a woman, "будьте здоровы," "будьте здоровы," "будьте здоровы." Formal or plural. So, the meaning of "будь здоров," "будь здорова" и "будьте здоровы" – be healthy. If the person sneezes the second time, you can say "будь счастлив," "будь счастлив," "будь счастлив." If it's a male, "будь счастлива," "будь счастлива," "будь счастлива" for female. "Будьте счастливы," "будьте счастливы," "будьте счастливы" for plural or formal. And the meaning is be happy. And if it happens for the third time, you can say «Живи богато», «Живи богато», «Живи богато», «Живи богато». It's for both men and women. «Живите богато», «Живите богато», «Живите богато», «Живите богато» for plural or formal. The meaning is be rich, live rich. For example, Маша чихнула. You say, "будь здорова." Спасибо. When someone is about to eat or drink, when sitting down for a meal, Russians usually say, "приятного аппетита," "приятного аппетита," "приятного аппетита." Enjoy your meal. If you're offering tea, coffee, or cake, you can say, "угощайся," "угощайся," "угощайся." Help yourself. It's informal. Угощайтесь, 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 угощайтесь or formal. For example, вот чай и торт. Приятного аппетита. Спасибо. When someone is leaving, Russians often say, счастливо, счастливо, take care, be happy, счастливо. Or, всего хорошего, всего хорошего, всего хорошего, всего хорошего, all the best. Хорошего дня, хорошего дня, хорошего дня, have a good day. For example, пока, Иван, пока, счастливо. Besides счастливо or всего хорошего, there's a fun and old-fashioned phrase you'll still hear sometimes. Скатертью дорога, скатертью дорога, скатертью дорога, скатертью дорога. Literally, may the road be covered with a tablecloth. It originally means have a smooth journey, but sometimes, depending on tone, it can sound ironic. Or, for example, if someone living angrily, and you can say "скатертью дорога," "скатертью дорога," "скатертью дорога." The meaning is not good. In this case, the meaning is "get out of here," "скатертью дорога." So, you can say like this. I hope that you will not have these situations in your life. So mostly this is a good and warm way to say goodbye. For example, ну все, я пошел. Alright, I'm off. Скатертью дорога. Удачи. The next one. When someone is going on a trip, before a journey, people say счастливого пути, счастливого пути, счастливого пути. Have a good trip. Счастливого пути, or even casually, удачи, good luck, удачи. Or if for the person who you want to say goodbye to, you'll take a flight, you can say хорошей посадки, хорошей посадки, хорошей посадки, пока, хорошей посадки. Like good landing, I wish you a good landing. When someone is about to do something important, like taking an exam, asking their boss for a raise, or going to a job interview, if someone is busy with work or studying, Russians might say удачи, удачи, удачи. Good luck, or ни пуха, ни пера. Ни пуха, ни пера. Ни пуха, ни пера. It's a traditional saying before an exam or performance. It literally means neither fluff nor feather. And the answer for that is к черту, to the devil. К черту, к черту, к черту. Yes, it's a little superstition phrase, but we use it a lot, and you also can use it. You will surprise the Russians that you know it. Next one, when raising a toast at parties or dinners, when raising a glass, we say за здоровье, to health, за здоровье, за друзей, to friends, за друзей. Будем здоровы, let's be healthy, будем здоровы, за любовь, to love, on a romantic dinner, за любовь, за нас, to us, за нас, romantic couple during the dinner, за нас, за нас. When someone buys something new, when Russians see you wearing new clothes, they often say с обновкой, с обновкой, с обновкой, с обновкой. Congrats on the new thing. Or if you have a new car or apartment, it can be поздравляю, поздравляю, congratulations, поздравляю, поздравляю. Very often you can hear the phrase с новосельем, с новосельем, с новосельем, с новосельем. You can use this phrase only when your friends have moved to another place. For example, they bought a new apartment, a new house, and they invited you to this celebration, and you are the first time at this place, at this house. You can say entering the house с новосельем, с новосельем, с новосельем. The meaning is I want to congratulate you with the new place to live, something like this. So the next, when someone took a bath or visited a banya, Russian sauna. In Russia, especially after banya, that is Russian sauna, or even after a simple bath or shower, it's polite to say с легким паром, с легким паром, с легким паром, с легким паром, literally with light steam. It's like saying hope it was refreshing or enjoy your clean feeling. Example, я только что из бани. I just came from the banya. С легким паром. And the person will usually answer спасибо. Thank you. That's all what I wanted to tell you today. Write in the comments if you have any questions, if you want to know anything more about the Russian language. Спасибо, друзья. Пока-пока. Увидимся в следующем видео. See you in the next video.